Good morning, students. Now, as I told you that we'll be covering up the topic in 2 steps, here comes the next video. Now, let's learn the differences between interjection and exclamations. Now, let's read. An exclamation can be defined as a word or a number of words that express an emotion. It can come up in the form of interjection also. Examples: great, sweet, nice, good, etc. Now you'll ask me, ma'am, you said that these are interjections and now you're saying that these are exclamations. Yes, they are interjections also, and they can also be called exclamations. I told you interjections are hardly words, but these words can also have another name which is called exclamation, because exclaim means only an outburst of a strong emotion. He exclaimed. Whenever we say he exclaimed, exclaim means there came a strong emotion, and that strong emotion can be anger, happiness, joy, sorrow, anything. So these interjections have two names. When they come up in the form of these words with an exclamation mark, we call them interjections. And the another name of these words can be exclamations also, because they are exclaimed by different people to show what is the state of their emotion, their mind, their mood. So, as you can see, the next step again, the next point again, that these can come up in the form of interjection also, simple single words, or you can see in the next point that it can also come in the form of a sentence. Stop screaming, what a wonderful day, how fast does he run, and these. I hope this is clear. Now, exclamations can be single words also. Exclamations can be full, complete sentence also. Now, here in these examples, I have not used interjections anywhere. So, these are exclamations only. So, what have you learned? What is the difference? Interjections are only words, and exclamations are words also, and complete sentences also that show our strong emotion. Now, the next difference: all interjections are exclamations, but not all exclamations can be interjections. That means these sentences which you can see on the screen can be called exclamatory sentences, but you cannot call them interjections. Interjections are only words. Now, the third difference: like interjection, exclamation also shows a strong emotion, but an exclamation or an exclamatory sentence goes a step further. It can be used to order or demand also. Like you can say, which you can see in the first example, stop screaming. This is a kind of instruction, an order which you are giving to somebody. And when you are ordering somebody, this is a strong emotion, but inside it an instruction is hidden, that you are telling somebody to be quiet right away. So interjections only are words, they show our strong emotions, and these exclamatory sentences also show our strong emotion, but they come up in the form of sentences. So the difference is, I hope, clear now. Interjections are only words, and exclamations can be words also, and they can be complete sentences also. Interjections can be called exclamations, But exclamations can't be called interjections. Next difference, interjections show our strong emotion, but exclamations go a little further also. They can be used to ask, which is a demand kind of a thing, or you can give order also.